Good morning, dear students. Look here now. This is our new chapter: exponents and powers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to 5. 2 into 2 up to 5 times. That is 2 raised to 5. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 repeated multiplication 4 times. That is 3 raised to 4. 5 into 5, 5 into 5 means 2 times, so it is 5 square or 5 raised to 2. Here 5, 4 and 2 are exponents. So you get the meaning of exponents, look at here. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 etc. up to n times. That's equal to 2 raised to n. And n is the degree or exponent of 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 up to 7 times means it is 2 raised to 7. 7 is the exponent of 2 or 7 is the power of 2. We call it degree of 2. Is it over? And look once again here. Now 10 into 10 into 10, that is 10 raised to 3. Okay. So 10 into 10 into 10 etc. n times means 10 raised to n. Okay. Now look at negative powers. That is 10 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 10. So what is 10 raised to minus n? That is 1 by 10 raised to n. And what is 10 raised to minus 3? It is 1 by 10 to. You get the idea? So what is 10 raised to minus 4? It is 1 by 10 raised to 4. That is 10 raised to minus n is equal to 1 by 10 raised to n. Okay. These are the basics of negative powers. And the formula is x raised to minus n is equal to 1 by x raised to n. Is it over? Similarly, one more. If the power is 0, the answer is 1. For example, 2 raised to 0 is 1, 3 raised to 0 is 1, 10 raised to 0 is 1. That is, if the power or exponent is 0, the number is equal to 1. The value is equal to 1. Is it all? Better you write this. Is it all? And look at here. The laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Look here. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 means 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. Now already you studied that. 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 4 times. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 2 raised to 7. That means 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is 2 raised to 3 plus 4. That's equal to 7. That is x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. Better you write it. This is an example for that. X raised to m into x raised to n equal to x raised to m plus n. You complete that? Exponential law. Laws of exponents. This is completed. Similarly, the second, that's number 1, second law is x raised to m by x raised to n equal to x raised to m minus n. You write it the second one. Look here. Now 2 raised to 7 by 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 7 is already 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 7 times. And 2 raised to 4 is 4 times. Now 4 2's get cancelled, remaining 2 raised to 3. That is 7 minus 4 equal to 3. That is x raised to m by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. Is it over? That is second loop. Next, number 3, x raised to m whole raised to n. And by law it is x raised to mn. Mn means m into n. For example, 2 raised to 3 whole square is 2 raised to 3 into 2, 6. That's by this loop. Better you write it and write the example. And look here. 2 raised to 3 raised to 2 means 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. Exponent is 2. Power is 2. Multiply 2 terms. And you studied that 2 a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, 3 plus 3, 6. That's its answer. You get the idea? Over. Another example. 5 raised to 4 all raised to 3. By law, it is 4 into 3 equal to 12. And so that way, 5 raised to 4 all raised to 3 means multiplied 3 times. So 5 raised to 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. That's his answer. So x raised to m all raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n. M into n. Is it over? Next, number 4 is ab all raised to m is equal to a raised to m, b raised to n. What? ab all raised to m is, that is 5 into 3 all raised to 4 is 5 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. That's by this law. ab all raised to m, that is a common power or common exponent. It is applicable for a and b. That is a raised to m, b raised to m. രണ്ടിനും കൂടി ഉള്ളതാണ്. Get idea? And number 5 is a by b all raised to m equal to a raised to m by b raised to m. A by b all raised to m is a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Is it out? And I will give you problems later. Okay. You write the all exponential laws. Now 5 laws completed, and you write another one, x raised to minus m equal to 1 by x raised to m. Okay. Similarly, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. I will give you problems later. Okay.